Hello and thanks for joining us this Tuesday for our daily market coverage. Here are today's financial headlines.
Microsoft shares rose 3.7% to $384.33 on Monday, supported by continued optimism around its AI and cloud growth. Spain's main stock market index fell 1% on Tuesday, as geopolitical uncertainty weighed on sentiment. Banking and energy stocks led losses despite stable oil prices. U.S. natural gas futures fell 1% to around $2.60 on Tuesday, hitting the lowest level since late October 2024. Ample supply and subdued demand continued to weigh on prices. The Australian dollar held around 70 cents, sitting near a 4-week high amid rising hopes of a US-Iran peace deal, while investors weighed the Reserve Bank of Australia's latest remarks. Bitcoin fell 0.3% in the past 24 hours, trading below $74,400. The decline came as profit-taking and cautious sentiment weighed on the market. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 12:30 p.m., the U.S. to release the producer price inflation for March, following 0.7% in February. At 11 p.m., the unemployment rate in South Korea is expected to decrease, after reaching 2.9% in February. Tomorrow's major economic events. At 12:30 p.m., the U.S. to release the export prices for March, following 1.5% in February. At 12:30 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for import prices of March, following 1.3% in February.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by Skyriss. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.